So I am using now 3 electric vehicles. How about you? Are you using an electric vehicle?
Ang mahal pa po, when we use electric vehicles, and of course, I'm very supportive of that, then we lessen our emissions, the greenhouse gas emissions. We must transition the soonest to electric vehicles, and this must be used not individually for those who can afford, but mass transport. In mass transport, sana electric na. Sana nagtitrend na lang po tayo para hindi kanya-kanyang kotse ang dala.
So I am using now 3 electric vehicles. How about you? Are you using an electric vehicle?
Okay, you got me there. Kasi po, meaning ko po, nagtanong na po ako ng ilang taon. Ang mahal pa po.
Hindi na, mura na ngayon.
O sige, well, I've always aspired. Yung mga mamahaling brand, medyo mahal pa eh. Tatanong ko yung mga mas murang brand kung meron na.
Meron.
Baka mag-Christmas gift ako sa sarili ko o hihiling ako sa... Reregaluhan ako ni Ping? Ba't kang maganon?
Mura na,
Ha?
mura na.
Okay. You got me there.